Think applying for a new credit card has to be a gamble that will ding your credit score? What if there was a loophole? The PayPal Mastercard has a backdoor application process that lets you see if you're likely to be approved, and for how much, all with a soft pull that won't hurt your score. Let's walk through exactly how this trick works. We all know the hesitation that comes with applying for a new credit card. The biggest fear is the hard inquiry, which can temporarily drop your score, especially if you get rejected. This anxiety stops a lot of people from even trying to get a great card. But there's a solution. The PayPal Cashback Mastercard, which is issued by Synchrony Bank, has a pre-qualification process that starts with only a soft credit pull. A soft pull is like window shopping. It doesn't impact your credit score at all. You only get the hard inquiry if you're pre-qualified, like the offer, and then decide to officially accept the card. This means you can check your eligibility without the usual risk. So, how do you actually do it? The process is surprisingly simple. You apply directly through your PayPal account. For this initial check, you'll provide your basic information, and Synchrony Bank will perform a soft inquiry to see if you pre-qualify. If you are pre-qualified, they'll present you with a real offer, including your potential credit limit, before you have to commit. This way, you know your chances of final approval are very high before the hard pull ever happens. You see the offer first, then you decide if you want to move forward. This card is a solid choice on its own, with no annual fee and a straightforward, unlimited 2% cash back on all purchases. But beyond the rewards, the real prize is this application method. It takes the guesswork and the fear out of the process. You get to test the waters and see a potential approval and credit limit before you take the small, temporary hit from a hard inquiry. Generally, you'll want a good credit score, often around 670 or higher, to get approved. Plus, Synchrony Bank is known for being pretty generous with credit line increases over time. It's just a smarter way to approach building your credit. Don't forget to subscribe for more credit building secrets.